Hi everyone, welcome to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, we will be learning how to change your character in Free Fire Max. To change your character in Free Fire Max, first of all, open up the Free Fire Max app on your device and from the main screen, tap on Preset at the bottom. After selecting Preset, go ahead and tap on your character on the middle of the screen. You will then see all of the character options on the left inside menu. Go ahead and select a different character you would like to change to. Some of the characters should be downloaded first, so go ahead and download them. Confirm the download, and after you download the character, you can then tap on the purchase button at the bottom right. If you have enough in-game currencies, such as diamonds or gold, you can also look for any free character that you can change to, and if that is available, simply tap on Equip at the bottom right to apply the character. Some of the characters will be available as you play and progress throughout your game. Just make sure to choose a character that fits your playing style, since character abilities in Free Fire Max can be a game changer. That's how you easily change character in Free Fire Max. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Free Fire Max tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.